Welcome skaters! In today's warm-up routine, we are focusing on essential skating skills that every skater should master. These moves are great for refining technique and warming up before practice or performance. So lace up and let's get started. Our first exercise today, forward chassé with double 3 turns. We'll start with forward outside chassé, power pull, and double inside 3 turn, stepping right away into other foot and continue other direction. Let's do this step by step. First, you step into forward outside edge on the left foot. Extend your free leg behind and then switch your feet, bend your right leg, keep your left foot closer to your skating leg to step into forward outside edge again on your left foot with extension of your free leg. Then you're going to swing your right leg through, staying on that forward outside edge. And after your free leg going back again, you switch your edge into inside and start your forward inside 3 turn on your left foot. Keep your feet closer together after your 3 turn. Continue with backward outside 3 turn on your left foot and immediately step into right forward outside chassé with good powerful push and extension. And you continue from right foot, same exercise right away. Forward outside chassé, swing, power pull, double 3 turn, and step on the left foot again. Now we're going to continue with backward chassé and do same exercise with power pull and double 3 turn. You can click on the link above or look in the description below for more 3 turn exercises. Make sure you work with your knees and ankles during chassé and extend your free leg. Let's take this step by step again. So your first push is on left backward outside edge with your free leg extend in front. Then you step on the right foot, left foot picking up closer to your skating leg. And then you push again on your left backward outside edge with good extension. Then you're going to bring your free leg through from forward to backward. I like to see better extension here with free leg, but it's very nice knee and ankle bend. Then you're doing power pull into back inside edge, keeping your free leg in front, and then doing backward inside 3 turn, followed by forward outside 3 turn, and immediately continue with backward outside chassé from right foot with power pull and backward inside double 3 turn. Alternate your feet, keep your ankles and knees soft, bend, and extend your free leg. Next up, we will be working on brackets, 3 turns, and Mohawks. In this exercise, we'll focus on quickness, maintaining a strong edge, and precise free leg position. Let's concentrate on building sharp, clean movements for each skill. Here's step-by-step explanation. First, we're going to start from left forward outside bracket, followed by left backward inside 3 turn, stepping into forward outside to backward outside Mohawk, step cross behind, bring that free leg backward, step on it, shift your weight, and then push with that left leg into crossover, gliding on backward inside edge on your right foot. Then we're going to do bracket, backward inside on the right foot, followed by forward outside 3 turn on the right foot, and then step from backward inside to forward inside Mohawk for transition. Bring your feet closer together, step on your right forward inside edge, and continue with left forward outside to right forward outside cross roll. After that, we start from other leg. Right forward outside bracket, backward inside 3 turn, Mohawk, cross behind, push under, and then backward inside bracket, forward 3 turn, and then step into Mohawk again. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more Mohawk tutorials. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and updates. Moving on to forward inside and backward outside bracket with 3 turns and Mohawk. Starting on right forward inside edge, going into bracket. After that, backward outside 3 turn on right foot, followed by forward inside to backward inside Mohawk. Shift your weight into right foot, push with your left foot, extend behind, gliding on right backward outside edge. Bring your feet closer together for easier transition. Push into left backward outside edge and start with backward outside bracket, followed by forward inside 3 turn. Keep your free leg closer to your skating leg for quicker and more controlled turns. After that, you're going to do backward outside to forward outside Mohawk, gliding on the right forward outside edge, switching with cross roll into left forward outside edge, followed by forward crossover, and stepping into left forward inside edge to start again with bracket 3 turn, Mohawk, backward outside edge, backward outside bracket, forward inside 3 turn, and then transition with backward outside to forward outside Mohawk. When practiced together, these moves create a well-rounded edge work routine that sharpens precision, agility, and flow. Now we are working on forward and backward outside counters with cross roll transition. This exercise is a bit simpler than the previous ones, but it's still important to go through it step by step to build consistency and control. Let's break it down together. We will start with a strong outside edge on the right foot, then swing your free leg forward to set up. As your free leg begins to move back, you will initiate the turn, ensuring your feet come together right as you enter the top of the turn. If your timing is off, it's easy to lose the edge and accidentally switch to an inside edge. This might not be obvious at full speed, but in slow motion or with freeze frame, you will notice these details. Try to keep your feet together during your turn. After the turn, you should be in a solid position with your feet close, shoulders checked, and firmly on outside edge. Then step into backward outside cross roll, aligning your shoulders and arms, and after a couple cross rolls backward, continue with backward outside counter, extending your free leg behind and bending your ankles and knees. Make sure your feet stay close together during the turn. This allows for a cleaner, quicker counter. Here you'll see she's able to execute a nice back outside counter with strong edge. If you click on the link above or look in the description below, you can find a great video for beginner counters. Our last exercise today will be forward and backward inside counters with a 3-step Mohawk in between. Combining counters with 3-step Mohawk improves a skater ability to move seamlessly in both directions, maintain better edge control, and transition efficiently between movements. It's essential for developing strong, fluid footwork sequences in figure skating. Let's break down this combination and focus on getting the edges right. We're going to start with left forward inside edge, bringing your free leg in front, and then executing forward inside counter, checking your shoulders, after the turn and keeping your free leg close to your skating leg. Then you're going to step from backward inside to forward inside 3-step Mohawk. Cross in front with your right foot and immediately follow with right backward inside counter. Switch your feet after that with forward inside edge and start other foot. Great work today. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and I see you next time.